In the modern world, technological advancement has created destructive weapons of war. At the center of this competition is the hypersonic missile. This missile travels at least 5 times faster than the speed of sound. China's advanced missile program has raised serious concerns in the West. Recently, China unveiled the DF-27, which can strike the United States from their mainland in just 20 minutes. The DF-27 travels at Mach 8.6, which is over 6,500 miles per hour. If launched from China, it could reach Hawaii in 47 minutes, Seattle in 51 minutes, and New York in just over an hour. However, if the target is Guam, this missile can cause total destruction in only 17 minutes. The speed makes it nearly impossible for traditional defenses to react in time. The real fear lies with the DF-41, which can travel at Mach 22. At this speed, it could hit Seattle in 20 minutes and New York in 25 minutes. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles that follow a fixed path, this hypersonic glide, unlike traditional ballistic missile, these hypersonic glide vehicles can change direction mid-flight. The integration of artificial intelligence or AI allows these weapons to dodge radar and evade interceptors, making defense extremely difficult. The use of AI in targeting and maneuvering has added a new layer of complexity to modern warfare. As China strengthens its hypersonic arsenal, the pressure on Western defense system continues to grow. This is not just about speed, it is about a total shift in military strategy. Will the world find a way to stop these unstable weapons? Only time will tell.